Hello, beautiful people. Happy Monday. It is Monday today. Happy to be here. Welcome back to another episode of The Infected. We are here with day 8 today. And I know on the last episode we just did our extractor, but we were doing a lot of forging and all that to prepare for building a bunch of stuff. So we're going to take a look at what else is on the agenda. I do have a list that I usually follow, so I'm trying to go in order of that as well so I don't get sidetracked. I'm pulling it up on the side here as well. Here we go. All right, let's just jump right in. So we have the extractor in the cave. We have one, though. We want to keep these 3 going. That's the goal. So let's get right in here. I don't know. I don't need to eat or anything right now, so that's fine. Yeah, we're okay. So we need some firewood. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Light these guys up and let's get this continued. Hi Peach, how you doing? And after that, I know I want some racks, but the extractors is a priority because that's what's going to give us a lot of the stuff. Especially because I want the circular saw bench, which needs cobalt. So we gotta really push on that one. I'm good. It felt like it was the Mondayest Monday today. But we're good. We're here. We're thriving. There is some more firewood. I might pick this one up since it's right here. All right. Ooh, we have chicken on us as well. We could eat some of this. We'll keep that on us. We could probably get a couple more meats and just stock up in here. We'll get some frogs if we catch them. There's one down there. That is one, and let's see if we can get another. I heard it. There it is. So that we can cook the chicken and the meat. Chicken, meat, meat. We can also get some water. And spark that up. Cool. I thought I was in the clear, but my last chat unexpectedly made me emotional, so now I'm eating chocolate and playing Palia to relax. Oh, no. I'm giving you a big hug. I'm sorry. Those unexpected ones, man, they pull at the heartstrings big time. You enjoyed that downtime, girlfriend. Much deserved. Oh, this one's about to be done. Put that in here, so maybe I can come get this. Yeah. works. That was super nice, but she was living a super difficult thing, and the agents before just weren't nice at all, so I felt really bad and wanted to make sure she felt like I cared. Aww. Not that I expect anything less of you, to be honest, but I'm sure she really appreciated that. Hi, Hazel. How are you, bestie queen? Let's go put this food in here. I did hear another chicken. I do want to... There it is. We can hang on to this meat. And we got some feathers. Your game's patching? Mine patched too when I started. Are you getting on? Oh, yay! The three of us could chill in a call if you wanted to, although no pressure, Peach, if you want some time to yourself to, like, get yourself cool, calm, and collected. I totally get that if so, but also the invitation is there. Even if we're not playing the same game, we can just vibe. Just vibe together. So it needs 18. So if I can fill 2 of these rows, I'll be golden. We're almost there, actually. Since we got that other chicken, I might as well get another 2 frogs. That's another one. Oh, that didn't work. That's embarrassing. Ah! Whoopsie, I just like am completely tossed and turned over here. I think I should make a cooler. Let's see if I can make a cooler already as well. Patching takes forever. It does. All right. We're like just there. These two we can probably start making ingots, I think. I think I'm just gonna learn for a bit. I'm going to bed too late anyway. Yes. Gaming ladies. Yes, for sure. You just let me know when. That sounds like a plan to me. Let's see if we can make a cooler. How much does it take for a cooler? $15 plastic. I feel like we don't have that. Oh, we do. Let's make 1 cooler at least. Just for meat. Like the vegetables, realistically, we can keep track of, but the meat, maybe not so much. Nice. Now we're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just gonna put all this in here right now. Are you blind with me? I'm sorry to end it. Yes. You can just listen to mine and Hazel's shenanigans. Hopefully that can put a smile on your face, you know? We're just gonna plop him in here as we find him. I'll call you. Because I need to tab out of this. You don't know who you are. Let me do that now. Oh, my brother called me. I gotta message him after. Okay, I'll call you now. Yes? Just let me know. See? Hello?
Hello.
It's a Hazel.
It's Linda.
It's a Hazel.
If I knew that song, I would sing it.
What song? What song?
Do you want do you want a chunk of big and fat and juicy meat? Here's a pig. Something, something, something. It's from Lion King 1.5.
Okay, I love The Lion King 1.5, but I have no idea what song this is. It's not
the song.
What? Do you want a piece of fat and juicy? Just it's not. No. it's it's not coming.
It's Timon and Pumbaa's song. He's a big pig. Yup, yup, yup.
Why am I not remembering this? And why do I feel like I should have remembered this? Because this is a very interesting song here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be looking this up after stream.
It's the distraction song.
What the actual?
Oh my goodness.
Why can't I remember this? Oops. Oops. So we made a cooler. Booyah.
Nice.
Love to see it. Oh, I forgot the frags.
Of course, it's not going to be on here. What the heck, man? Okay.
We're not in a rush anyway, so this is just gonna... I'm not gonna worry about my weight. It's just gonna go when it wants to go. We're also picking up a lot of stones.
He's a big pig. You can be a big pig too. The hula song. That's what it's called.
Why don't I remember this? I'm upset with myself. I love that movie.
Well, it's not on Spotify, so that's fun.
It's got to be on YouTube.
It is on YouTube, yes. 100%.
Oh, that's where I'm going after stream.
Copy. I'm going to send it in here.
Did I not calculate this correctly? That's going to be 12. This
Oh
is
my gosh, it's almost
16. Oh, and then 2 more. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. It's almost done.
He's loving.
Oh, it says playing the infected. Ooh la la. I'm really hoping we can get racks and stuff. I don't want to just be working on extractors, but realistically, if well, maybe I can get the circular saw bench done because we should have 2 cobalt in there by now. At least I would hope so. If it's just stones in there, I'm going to fight someone. Like, I might get violent.
Don't do that.
Once these ones come out, I'm going to run into the cave and check what's there.
I don't even remember where I was at. Or drag grinder extractor. Okay, cool. Nice. I want this first and foremost because that'll be helpful.
See you tomorrow.
Mechanical parts. Good thing I got plenty of those.
Okay, those last 2 are making. I'm running to the cave quick. Let's check if we have cobalt in there.
Am I delusional?
We have 2 coppers. No cobalt yet. As soon as we get those 2 cobalts. Oh my gosh, a watermelon spawned right here. Let's go put the seeds away. Okay, now we do extractor 2. We need 8 planks. Let me just drop these in here so that I can do it without a problem. 8 planks and 8 nails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where are my nails? There is extractor 2. Let's get some bio. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get that. We'll get that in the cave once this next batch goes, because I don't want to have this burning and not working. Let me get another stone from here. All right. Let's bring this extractor over there. Maybe 2 of them going at the same time will help us. with the odds. Now we're going to get 2 generating every 5 minutes as opposed to just 1. See what happens. Melon! Oh, I dropped it. Rudeness. Ah, I should have put that down. When do these go bad? Same time? Oh, I think I need more stones. Yes, I do. So even if we don't finish the circular saw bench, it's not really a failure of an episode, considering the fact that we made the cooler. It's not so bad. That I can make into a bio. Good progress. Now we could start prepping some more logs and planks for this project, but the reason why I was avoiding doing that is because I don't have the circular saw bench. Like, I would much rather wait to have the circular saw and just start going at it. You know?
I feel you on that.
That's the problem. I don't want to jump ahead of myself and then waste resources or something. Another bird. Come here, birdie. Touching hands. Reaching out. Touching me.
Oh.
Touching
you.
Sweet Caroline. Ba, ba, ba.
I was hoping for a chuckle from Seth.
No.
No chuckle.
How rude.
He's probably just like, eh.
Oh, there they go again. That's what's going on in his brain.
100%.
Monday madness.
Probably exactly what Nick was thinking too.
Is that corn? Why does that look so small? second guess myself. I'm like, is that actually corn? Interesting. I haven't even had to go into my stone supply because they just keep spawning like crazy over here.
That's awesome.
Dad, you're sending me reels, but you're not on stream. I see. Dwa, dwa, dwa.
Could I build the extractor out here and then move it into the cave and it knows what to do, or do I have to build it in the cave?
No, you can build it outside and drag it in the cave. That's totally fine.
Fantastic. Okay.
Yep.
I just don't want to run all the way up there.
Yeah, yeah. Oop. Two, not goats, the ones that go bah, sheep.
Yep.
Yep. Clearly the brain capacity was exhausted at work today. We're hanging on by a thread, people, a thread. Lots of smelting happening. How long are we here? Oh, we still got a bit to go. That's okay. Let's check on the extractors again. Maybe we got some cobalt. Oh, we got an aluminum and we got a cobalt. Lovely. Okay, so I'm going to take these back with me and we're going to start making chests for this stuff. Let's get ready for that can stay there for now. Let's make 3 here. 1, 2, 3. pick these up. Hopefully I have enough for all 3. I'm not counting, so... I don't think I do, though. Nope, I need another 6. So, we can cut a small tree. It's about to rain. Get these 6. Now I have these ready. We're gonna put that in there. So this is gonna be aluminum. Copper. Cobalt. There we go. Let's pick these up since there's going to be a few of them. As I say that, there's none. There's literally only 2. Okay, 3. The grand gesture of the hour. Because if I can make this circular saw, what does it need? Mechanical, electrical, 8 iron ingots, which I believe I already have. I literally just need that cobalt. It's the only thing I'm missing. Let's see what happens. Do you want to come out tonight? I wanna feel good emotions in this lovesick lullaby. Yeah, I have 8 already. So if I get that second cobalt, I'm golden. Another watermelon. That's another copper. Cobalt! Okay, we can do our circular saw bench today.
Let's go.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker. That's gonna help us a lot with being able to get shit done. So let me take this cobalt. Cobalt. I can't say that word. Cobalt? I don't know. I hear chicken. I don't know where you are, but I heard you. You were across the street. Okay, so I can smelt this stuff in a minute. I should have technically done that now. Actually, I can leave it for last. Let's get those smelted and then I can do that. So, oh, lots of stones. Hi. Oh my gosh. Hi there, stones. Come here, you. That in there. All right. So we need 4 mechanical, 4 electrical. I can grab that. 8 iron ingots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it a bird? What is that? And I gotta make arrows. I need you. Yeah, come here, crow. No, just what you're thinking. Oh, saying, not thinking. I hear you. No, don't run away, you piece of shit. Ha. I'm sorry, chicken. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 iron already. That works. Let me go put this away. No. Then I need another one of you. Oh, there's a lot of them from the rain. Dad, stop sending me reels and play. All right. Hello, Tudu. How are you doing? 3 watch streak. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. That means a lot. How's your Monday been? I thought it was a stone. It is not. Choke it a little bit. Okay, we have 4 iron going in here. Doing good. How about you? I am doing great. And we put the electrical and the mechanical in there. So now all we need is the iron and the cobalt, and we have a circular saw bench. Now I'm fairly sure the circular saw only uses oil, but it lasts a long time. And we have...
You're right about that.
Yeah, and we have a lot of oil, so I'm not too worried about that. Looting 6 towns from the beginning, I'm telling you, 6 is the magic number. You get a good amount of shit. Oh, peace and quiet because the rain stopped. Oh, wow. Holy cow.
It's magic.
Do you believe in magic? I'm doing good, doing good. Gonna prep dinner BRB. You do your thing. I get it. I appreciate you putting the lurk up while you do that.
Oh my gosh, what is happening? I have 2 boars and 1 deer. Right here next to me.
Hello, stock up for winter time. I see you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It could, but I haven't unlocked the butcher table yet.
I mean, you could just put them on log carts.
That's true. I don't want to go through all my nails, though. And I need my iron ingots for something else.
Fair enough.
You know, just the whole process.
Yep. We are just about to finish.
We've got plenty of time.
And we can chop some trees to already have a stockpile of logs for the bench. Oops. Oh, hello. Cool. We got some ready. Let's go put chips and fiber away. Check this out. Not ready yet, but it's about to be. We'll just hang out here for a second. And this day, I believe, is about to be done. 8:30. So we're going to end with the circular saw. Here we go. Circular saw complete. Hello. Let's get that out of the way. Hi, circular saw.
Hi,
nice to see you. All right, let's load it up with some logs. Oh no, we need oil first. Because we get a lot more planks from this too, so it'll be worth it. Bring your alibi. Let those do their thing for a minute. I'll collect this. So circular saw and a cooler. I mean, not too shabby, honestly. I think I can only fit 4 more on there comfortably. Okay, we'll leave this here. And the rest is gonna go in there. So circular saw extractors we're still making. Next thing I want to make is some racks. Actually, I don't even think I want to make the racks yet. I don't think it's necessary. I haven't really been needing the dry food. We're finding enough frogs and stuff. I don't think we need it. Yeah, honestly, I don't think we need it.
I wish more things took screws instead of nails.
Yeah.
Well, it's random, but I feel like it should be balanced. Like,
No, I second that for sure.
half of the things should take screws and half of them should take nails.
Yeah. Oh, that's full already. I think I need a second, or a third plank stand. I don't want to use my sticks, though. Can I find enough sticks? How many does it take? 8? I could break one of these logs, so I can get some firewood out of it. That kind of works in my favor a little bit. Fill up another one. There we go. That'll fill up some more. And I can put those in there. It'll probably fill up to put these. Actually, I don't think it will. I might need to make a lock stand. Might. Let's put the log stand here. Build storage. Nope. Put it right here. More sticks. 6 sticks. No more sticks. I might find them on the floor though. 2. 3. No more sticks. How rude. I could just break one of these logs again. Yeah, I can do that. Get some more firewood. There we go. More logs. Okay, and we got some more stones. Holy shit. I need some water, I think. Okay. What time is it in the game? It's 11:30. So we're going to put this out and call this episode. Let me just put this out. And we'll put all this in here. Now I find another stick. The audacity. All right. Well, that concludes day 8 in game. We made a cooler and a circular saw, and we made a second extractor. I am so excited with the progress, honestly, for day 8. That's fantastic. I'm hoping for... All right. I'm hoping for day 9 we can get the other 2 extractors ready and maybe move on to some more crates and maybe the advanced workbench. We'll see how that plays out. But that's it for this episode. I will see you guys in the next one for day 9. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.